Started. Is it visible?
Yes, sir, it is.
Start node,
Yes, sir.
start node, insert, insert before, insert before, start node, insert before. So start node, uh, star. Next, start node, insert after, start node, star. So delete beginning, start node, delete end. Start node, star, delete, sorry, delete beginning. Mm, delete before, delete before, start node, star, delete after, delete after, start node, star. Okay, all the operations are there. Create, create, then display, then insert beginning, insert end, insert before after, delete beginning, delete end, delete before after. Okay, so printf কি লিখবো? Um, printf
Insert before a particular node.
insert before, insert before a particular node. Okay, insert before a particular node.
So this should be point number 6. No?
Point number 5 ই হবে.
Achha.
This is point number 6. Okay. Point number 6 is insert after. Insert after a particular node. Delete from beginning. Next, this is 7, 8. Delete from end. Okay. Nine. Delete from beginning from end after a particular node. Delete after a particular node. Okay. So this will be 10. Is it fine?
Sir, you have to change the condition in while too.
So this there will be 10.
11.
10.
Less than 11.
less than is equal to less than less than 11. Now enter your choice. So there will be how many cases?
10 cases.
স্যার একটু ফন্ট সাইজটা বাড়াতে পারবেন?
দেখা যাচ্ছে না? হবে এতে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে।
Is it fine? 4, 5. So this is 6. No. So start is equal to insert before. Okay. So create next display beginning, end, before, and this will be after. Up to this any problem after, and this will be after. Beginning, delete, end. Delete, end. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is your 10. So delete beginning, delete end. Delete beginning, delete end. This will be delete before and delete after. Main function is over. কোনো প্রবলেম আছে মেন ফাংশন? দেখো তো কিছু ভুল করলাম? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes, sir.
Okay. While OP is less than 11, 0. Okay. আচ্ছা কি কোয়েরি ছিল? Okay. So delete end. Delete end. Anushree, how to delete the last element? Any idea? Tanushree? Am I audible?
Sir, she's typing.
My PC has no mic. Okay. So delete end. We have to delete the last part. Delete end. That is, now we have to delete this 6. So what should be the code? What are the logic?
Sir, same as singly linked list. We can take a pre-PTR.
No, same, not same as single linked list.
I mean, similar to
Shati,
that, not
Shati,
exactly
Shati,
same.
are you there, Shati?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what are the difference between single linked list and uh, circular linked list? In case of single linked list SLL, in case of single linked list, what should we do to delete the last node? To delete the last node, so we have to.
PTR is equal to start.
So PTR is equal to start. So PTR is equal to start. Let uh, 1 second. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. So your structure is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and last one is the 6. After deletion of the first node, that is 5, we get this list 1 to 2, next 2 to 3, next 3 to 6, and from 6 to 1. Okay, now we have to delete this last one. So initially we have to set this is a P, this is your S. So we initialize PS at the first one. Okay, next we have to traverse up to the last node. What is the condition for last node for SLL? For SLL, what is the condition
Start. Last node next equals to start.
for SLL?
For SLL, it's null.
For SLL, it is null. So while PTR arrow next not is equal to null, then as you are deleting the last element, so the main funda are same for SLL and CLL. What is this? So P, again you have to consider another pointer pre-PTR. So PTR, pre-PTR and S both are initially at the same location. Okay. Now, when you are moving from left to right in SLL, Shati, this is for you. When you are moving from start to last node, in case of SLL, that is the condition is that. What is the condition for SLL? The condition for SLL is that while your PTR arrow next not is equal to null, because in SLL the last element's pointer is null, so you have to first copy. So pre-PTR is equal to PTR. Okay, so pre-PTR is the one node delayed by PTR. So pre-PTR is PTR, that is PTR is copied every time to the pre-PTR, and we have to advance. So advancing scheme is PTR is equal to PTR next. Okay, so you are advancing your pointer, right? Shati, are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So while PTR not is equal to null, pre-PTR is PTR. You have to just copy the PTR to the previous pointer pre-PTR, and you have to advance that pointer. So every time when you are advancing your pointer by one node, you have to copy that particular pointer to the previous node. Okay. After completion of this while loop, you are at the last node. You have to delete that node. Okay, you are at the last node and you have to delete that node. So how to delete? So delete is just free. So you are at the last node. Okay, so delete is just free PTR. Free that space. But before doing that, We have to do one thing. What is the thing? Pre PTR, PPTR next, PPTR next is equal to, for SLL, what will be the condition? For SLL, what will be the condition? We know that SLL, for SLL, the last node's pointer is null. So what is the condition, Shati, for SLL?
Is equal to null.
Is equal to null. Very good. So pre-PTR next is equal to null, and then pre-PTR. So this is the code for, this is the algorithm for, or code fragment for SLL. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Then for CLL, what will be the modifications? As in CLL, the last node's pointer is pointing to the first node. Okay, last node's pointer is pointing to the first node. So PTR arrow next not is equal to start. So unless and until PTR arrow next not is equal to null, you have to move. Okay, so moving conditions are same. Pre-PTR, PTR is copied to the L value. This is the L value. Pre-PTR, and you have to advance. Okay, but what will be the modification in this line? Pre-PTR next is equal to
Start.
Start the hobby. So we can write start as, what is start? By default, start is PTR next.
PTR next.
Next free PTR. So these are the basic difference between
PTR next.
so these are the basic difference between CLL and তোমার SLL. সাথে কি বুঝতে পেরেছে না পারেনি?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So delete end. What will be the function? Struct node. সৌরাশিস তো নাকি নাম?
Yes, sir.
একটু খেয়াল রাখবে তো কোনো ভুল করছি কিনা।
ঠিক আছে।
Struct node start. So here delete from end. There will be two pointer, pre-PTR and PTR. Okay, so these are the pointers. So struct node. Okay, now you have to traverse up to the last. So start is equal PTR is equal to start. So start is copied into the PTR. So what is the condition for Shati? What is the condition for last node? For getting the last node, Shati? What is the condition? In case of
PTR is not equal to start.
PTR next not is equal to start. Okay. So PTR is equal to PTR, and at the same time you have to advance. So PTR is equal to PTR arrow next. Okay. Finally, pre-PTR arrow next. Pre-PTR arrow next is equal to PTR arrow next. Okay, and pre-PTR. Okay, is it fine? Return
Yes, sir.
start. Okay. Now run this code. Build and run. There will be several errors. Error গুলো কি বলতো?
স্যার এই যেগুলো আপনি ডিক্লেয়ার করেননি, মানে ফাংশনগুলো ক্রিয়েট করেননি, এগুলো সব এরর দেবে।
তাহলে insert before break, insert after break, না delete beginning করার দরকার নেই, delete end, delete before,
স্যার ব্রেকগুলো থাকলেও আই ডোন্ট থিঙ্ক অসুবিধা করবে কিছু।
no problem. এবার রান করবে তো? Yes. Enter your choice. So our initial was 1 2 3. 1 2 3. So enter your choice. Choice is 1. Enter the data 1 2 and 3. Next stop -1. So CLL is created. Display the CLL. Enter your choice. 2. So CLL is 1 2 3. Okay, clear? Clear to you?
ইয়েস স্যার।
Okay. Next is add at the beginning. So add at the beginning. 3. Enter your choice in add at the beginning. Okay. Enter your choice. Enter your choice. Let 5. Data is 5. So display 5 1 2 3. So 5 is inserted beginning. Now we are interested in insertion at the end 4. So enter your choice 4. Enter your data. So the data is 6. আমাদের এক্সাম্পলতে তাই 5 1 2 3 6. So 6. So enter your data is 6. Now again enter your choice display. So 5 1 2 3 6. Okay. Now delete from beginning. Okay. Delete from beginning. So choice number is 7. Now display. So 1 2 3 6. 5 is deleted. Delete from end. So choice is 8. So enter your choice. Choice is 8. Now display 1 2 3. Up to this any problem, please ask me. Please unmute yourself and ask me. Tonusri, is there any problems? শ্রেয়া কি জয়েন করেছে 9120?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tonusri, any problem in this? No, sir. Okay. So deletion and insertion complete. Now insert before a particular node. Insert before a particular node. So insert before a particular insert before. Insert beginning, insert end, delete beginning, delete end. Let struct node insert before struct node start. সায়ন পারবে? সায়ন,
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
how to insert before a node?
হ্যাঁ স্যার। স্যার আমাকে পিটিআর নেক্সট করে যেতে হবে যতক্ষণ না আমার এই ডেটাটার সাথে ম্যাচ করছে, যাই নোডের
Yes.
আগে আমি দিচ্ছি।
ওকে।
তারপর সেই যে ওই নোডটা যেই নোডের আগে আমি ইনসার্ট করব সেই নোডটাকে লোকেট করার পর সেইটার যে নেক্সট আছে সেটা আমি আগে স্টোর করে রাখবো। সেটাকে আমি নতুন নোডটার রেফারেন্সে আমি দেবো এবং এই নতুন নোডের যে অ্যাড্রেসটা ওইটা আমি স্টোর করবো আগের নোডে।
Okay. So one, your new list is, sorry. So after deletion of the last node, 1, 2, and 3. So we started with this 1, 2, 3, and after insertion at beginning, end, and after deletion from beginning and end, we get the same list 1, 2, and 3. 1 to 2 to 3, and from 3 to 1. Okay. Now you have to insert. You have to insert. Uh, 7. You have to insert 7 between 2 and 3. You have to insert a 7 in the CLL between 2 and 3. Okay. So we have to dynamically allocate this new node. We have to dynamically allocate this new node. We have to insert the value in the data part of the new node. Okay. So let us start. Struct node insert before struct node star. So new node pptr ptr, both are pointers, temporary, for scanning the list from first to last. So new node and struct node. Okay. Next, int n and val. Okay. So printf enter the data. Enter the data and scanf. What will be the data? What will be the data? %d
10%.
n. Okay. Next, printf enter the enter the value before হচ্ছে তো, before which we are interested to insert the data. So here this will be val. Okay. Next, we have to dynamically allocate the new node. Very simple. New node is equal to malloc. So malloc is star. Is the malloc size of struct node. Okay. Next, input that data. Input your n. Input your n to the data part of the new node. So new node. ঠিক বলছি তো?
Yes, sir.
N. Now dynamically your new node is created. That is, you are inserting this 7. You are inserting this 7 at the new node. Okay. Next, you have to traverse. You have to traverse. You have to insert before the node 3, node with data part 3. So how to move? How to move? So P, this is S. So S, P, and pre-PTR, that is PP, initially both are at the same location. Then forward this pointer, until you get the value. So initialize PTR is equal to start, PTR is equal to start, and pre-PTR is equal to PTR, and while you are not at the desired value. So while PTR arrow data not is equal to 12. Okay. So pre-PTR you have to copy. Pre-PTR is equal to PTR, and at the same time PTR is equal to PTR next. Okay. Up to this, any
Sir?
problem?
Sir, I had a confusion like the line just before the while loop. Is it necessary? Like I don't.
Not necessary. This is redundant. Yes, very good point. Because every time you have to copy, as we write, every time you have to copy, pre-PTR is PTR, so no, this is redundant. Not very good question. Shoura shesh naki eta? Not needed.
Yes, sir. Shodash.
তুমি এটাকে অমিট করে দিতে পারো। ভেরি গুড। এই তো কনসেপচুয়ালি খুব ভালো এগোচ্ছে। নেক্সট কি করব? নেক্সট you have to insert. So you have to insert. You have to insert this 7 in between 2 and 3. Okay. So we have to first break this one, right? We have to add this one, and next we have to add this one. So first operation, this is the second operation. Is it fine? Unless and until your P, value of P is not equal to your desired value, then you have to copy and advance your PP and P. You have to copy this P to PP, and you have to forward this P. Okay. And after that, PP arrow next is new node, and new node arrow next is P. So pre-PTR arrow next, pre-PTR arrow next is new node. সাথী বুঝতে পারছো? And PTR
Yes, sir.
arrow next is equal to sorry new node arrow next. বললে না কেন তাহলে? New node arrow next is PTR. Okay. And then you are in return start. Okay. Up to this, any problem? So this is the fragment for insertion before a given node. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Check kori. Create a list, just create a list, enter your choice 1. So 1, 2, 3, okay, -1 column. Next display 1, 2, 3. Next suppose insert at beginning. So 3. Enter your choice is 3. Enter your data, let the data is 5. Next display. 5123. 5123. Next let add at end 4. Add at end 4. Let your data is 6. So display. 51236. Let delete the first element. Delete the first element. Delete the first element. So 7. Delete the first element 7. So display 5 1 sorry 1 2 3 1 2 3 6 1 2 3 6. Next let delete from end. Delete from end. So 8. So your list is 1 2 3. Up to this, fine. Is it fine? 1 2 3. Next, insert before a particular node. So 5. Your data. What is the data? 7. 7 is the data. So 7. Enter the value before which we are interested to insert the data. Which one? This is 3. Okay. So enter the data, that is n. This 7 is inserted in the data part of the newly created node. And before which node? That particular node which contains the data 3. So enter your choice 2. 1 2 7 3. Is it fine? Any problem?
Sir, shouldn't we also give a condition where we check whether the inputted value is correct? Like maybe some user can mistakenly give a value which is not even present in
Yes,
the list.
obviously you can modify your program. There are always some modifications. You need some modifications. You have to check your data. Like if the data is float, it will be discarded. If it is char, it will be discarded. You can also check. Okay. Next, insert after. So insert after. Copy and paste. Insert.
Sir,
uh,
sir, here we can also exclude the pre-PTR also.
Pre-PTR.
Yes, sir, that pointer also we do not require if we change the condition from PTR next data.
1 second. 1 second. So which part?
Sir, insertion before.
Insertion before. Okay. Is
Yes,
it
sir, if
visible?
we change from PTR data to PTR next data, then we do not require this pre-PTR is equal to PTR.
PTR data.
PTR next, then data.
While PTR data not is equal to value, then
No, sir, I am telling that in the condition, if we change from PTR data to PTR next, then data,
okay. Yes. You can also do that.
then we do not require the PPTR pointer.
Pre-PTR pointer. Yes. You can modify your program. Yes. So insert after. So insert after is, what will be the modifications in insert after? Could you please explain what are the modifications for insert after?
Sir, in the condition we will have pre-PTR data.
Pre-PTR. Pre-PTR data not is equal to value. If pre-PTR data not is equal to value, then pre-PTR next is new node and new nodes next is PTR. Okay. So let the node is list is 1 2 7 3. Okay. And in between 7 and 3, insert in between 7 and 3, insert let the value is 9, so that the list looks like 1 2 7 9 3. So let Control S, insert after, insert after. Insert after. Okay. Enter your choice. Enter your choice is, let your choice is 1. Enter the data 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 7, 3. 1, 2, 7, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 7, 3. Minus 1. CLL is created. Display 2. 1, 2, 7, 3. Okay. Your list is 1, 2, 7, 3. Now insert after a particular node. This is 6. This is 6. Okay. Enter the data. Let the data is 9. Oh, this should be enter the value after which we are interested to insert the data. Okay. We're just copying the previous code segment, and there should be some modifications. Enter the value after which we are interested to insert the data. So after which, that is 7. Okay. So that the list will looks like 1, 2, 7, 9, 3. So 7. Okay. So enter your choice. Your choice is 2. 1, 2, 7, 9, 3. Is it fine? 1, 2, 7,
Yes,
9.
sir.
Okay. Just change the
Yes, sir.
pre-PTR and PTR. Enter before. This is after. Enter the value. Enter the value after which. This should be after which. Okay. And what will be the delete before and delete after? এটা কি করে দিতে হবে না পারবে? Should I write, or you can do your own way? দিতে হবে, করে দিতে হবে?
স্যার আই থিঙ্ক করেই দিন, কারোর অনেকেরই মানে এটা নিয়ে তো আগে করেনি, তাদের হয়তো প্রবলেম হতে পারে।
So delete before, delete after. So delete before, delete before. Number 9 is delete before. So we have to write the code struct node delete before. Delete before. So one argument is passed, struct struct node start. They have to return that. So return start. Okay. Next, delete before a node. So there will be no new node, struct node, right? Struct node, ptr and ptr. Okay. Now printf enter the value before which we are interested for deletion. Okay. The value is scanf %d as all are integers. So this is let val. We have to declare this val. So int val. Okay. Next, we have to scan. So for scanning, ptr is equal to start. Okay. We have to scan from the first one. Is it fine? Next, while your ptr data not is equal to val, you have to copy pre-ptr is equal to ptr, and at the same time ptr is equal to ptr arrow next. এবার কি করব বলো তো? Now what should we do?
Pre-PTR next is equal to PTR next.
ptr next is equal to ptr next. Okay. And finally free ptr. Okay. So the list is one second. So the list is now 1 2 7 3 9. না কি ছিল লিস্টটা কি ছিল? 1
12793
1 2 7 1 to 7. Next is your 9 and finally this is 3. 1 to 2 2 to 7 7 to 9 and 9 to 3. Now delete before. We have to delete a node before 9. Delete a node before 9. So initially this is S, this is P, and at the same time this is the pre-ptr pp. Okay, we initialize and we have to scan from this ptr from the start to the value. So you are now at P here and your pp is now at this location. Okay. Before a given node, right? এটা কি ঠিক বললাম? Before a given node, your ptr data not is equal to val. ptr data not is equal to val. না কনসেপচুয়ালি ঠিক নেই। তাহলে এইটা হচ্ছে তোমার ptr next. This is p. This is your P, and this is the PP. This is the PP. তাই তো?
তো সেই জন্য তো আমরা পিপিটিআর এর নেক্সট কে পিটিআর নেক্সট করে দিচ্ছি যাতে ডাইরেক্ট 2 এর পর 9 চলে যাবে 7 টা ডিলিট হবে না
We have to delete this 7. So we have to connect this one and 2 and 9. So before 9, you are asked to delete the node before 9. So your P should be up to 7. So PP will be at 2, data part 2. So PP next should connect with PTR next. So pre-PTR next is equal to PTR next. Okay? Delete before. And next free PTR. Let build and run. Enter your choice 1. Enter the data 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 7, 9, 3. 7, 9, 3. Minus 1. Now display. Now display. So 2. So 1, 2, 7, 9, 3. Now delete before a particular node. So 9. Oh, enter your choice. Yes, delete before a particular node 9. So enter the value before which we are interested for deletion. So this is 9. Now enter display 1 2 7 3. এটা কি হলো বলো তো 1 2 7 3 9টা ডিলিট হয়ে গেল কেন?
9 টা ডিলিট হবে
What are the problems? Oh, this will be PTR or pre-PTR. Enter the value before which val. If this is not equal to value, pre-PTR. এটা প্রবলেমটা কি হলো বলতো? PTR next, pre-PTR next, PTR next, free PTR. PTR data is equal to value before which দাঁড়াও তো এই কোডটা কপি করি after which delete after and this is pre PTR data and this will be case number 10 delete after. Delete before হচ্ছে enter the value while the data is not null PTR data. Build and run করি একবার 1 2 enter your choice let 1 1 2 793 minus 1 display 12793 12793. Enter your choice. Let 10. Let the choice is 10. Let the choice is 10. Let this is 2. When will you delete it? For deletion, enter your choice. Enter your choice is 2. দেখো আফটারটা কিন্তু ঠিক করে কাজ করলো, তাই না? আফটার
Yes, sir.
after, so enter the choice is 10. Delete after a particular node.
স্যার ওটাতে হচ্ছে মানে যেটা লিখছি ওটাই ডিলিট হয়ে যাচ্ছে বিকজ পিটিআর যেটা আমাদের ভ্যালু, আমরা যেটা লাস্ট পিটিআর ভ্যালু নিয়ে বেরোচ্ছি
হুম
ওই নোটটা থেকে আমরা তো ওই নোটটাকে চেঞ্জ করছি, মানে লাস্ট যেটা আমরা পিটিআর ভ্যালু নিয়ে বেরোলাম ওটাতে হচ্ছে আমাদের ওই যে নাম্বারটা ডিলিট করছি, মানে এখানে আমি ধরো এক্সাম্পলটাতেই বলছি যে মানে
এই এই এক্সাম্পলটাতেই বলো তো 12793 আমি 7 কে ডিলিট আমি 7 কে ডিলিট করব। সো
স্যার ডিলিট বিফোরে পিটিআর নেক্সট ডেটা করলেই হয়ে যাবে এখানে।
কোথায় করব? দাঁড়াও, ডিলিট বিফোরে কি করব? কোথায়? পিটিআর
নেক্সট ডেটা।
পিটিআর নেক্সট।
হ্যাঁ স্যার,
পিটিআর নেক্সট
ডেটা।
আবার
What data?
হ্যাঁ এবার ডেটা।
নট ইকুয়াল টু ভ্যালু।
হ্যাঁ এবার মনে হচ্ছে চলবে স্যার।
হ্যাঁ হয়ে যাবে এটাতে আই থিংক,
বিল্ড এন্ড রান।
এটাতে হয়ে যাবে।
1 create the list 1 enter 1 2 7 9 3 minus 1 display 12793 12793 এবার হচ্ছে delete before, so 9 choice number 9 enter the value before which we are interested for deletion। এখানে কি দেব? 9 দেব তো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, যার আপনি আগে ডিলিট করতে চান।
আমি আমি 7 ডিলিট করতে চাই, তাহলে 9 করলাম।
হ্যাঁ
ডিলিট হলো। এবার ডিলিটটা কি হলো দেখি। 2 1293। হ্যাঁ, এটা কি করলে তুমি?
স্যার আসলে এখানে নেক্সটটা করে দিলাম, মানে আমার যেটাকে ডিলিট করা আছে তার আগের পয়েন্টারে আমাকে
ও হ্যাঁ 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 ঠিক ঠিক। এখানে পি, এখানে তাহলে কিভাবে হবে? পিটিআর পিটিআর ডেটা নেক্সট। আচ্ছা, পিটিআর নেক্সট, সো দিস ইজ এন্টায়ারলি পিটিআর, দিস ইজ এন্টায়ারলি পিটিআর। সো পিটিআর নেক্সট ডেটা, পিটিআর নেক্সট ডেটা, that is this position, right? শায়ন, তাই তো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
PTR
7
PTR
আগের
next, হ্যাঁ পিটিআর যদি, হ্যাঁ পিটিআর যদি 7 এ হয়, next PTR next data, that is 9. If 9 is, if this is equal to the your desired data, then you can do these things, that is PTR next, PPTR next is PTR next.
Yes sir.
Okay, thank you Sharan. Up to this any problem? So deletion, delete before and delete after. Up to this any problem, please ask us. কোনো প্রবলেম নেই? শ্রেয়া, এখানে দুজন শ্রেয়া আছে, 102 120।
Yes, sir.
কোনো প্রবলেম নেই? 120
Sorry, sir.
কোনো প্রবলেম হচ্ছে না আর?
No, sir.
স্যার ডিলিট বিফোরটা বল। আচ্ছা শুরু কর। ডিলিট বিফোর, delete before, delete before is, here there are two pointers are required, struct node, pre-ptr, ptr. Okay, now you have to scan from first to last. So ptr is start, and while ptr next data not is equal to value, so initially your ptr, pre-ptr, s both are at the same position. Next, suppose you are interested for deletion of 7. Deletion of 7. So you have to insert the val. So you have to insert the val as 9. That is before which you are interested for deletion. So if your P is now at 7, so the P arrow next. So the condition is P arrow next. What is the condition? P arrow next. P arrow next, arrow data. That is actually your desired location. That is actually your desired location 9. PTR next, PTR arrow next, arrow data. That is actually your 9. So you have to move on up to this position. If your pointer is now at this particular position, then only just break this line and this line and join 2 and 9. Then 1, 2, 9, 3. 1, 2, 9, 3. There is no 7. So your pre-PTR is at 2, PTR is at 7. Now you have to delete this 7. That's why PTR arrow next, PTR arrow next, arrow data, that is this one. If your value and these conditions match, then you have to stop and you have to break 7 to 9, 2 to 7 connection and add 2 to 9. Is it fine, Shoykot?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Delete before আর এটা হচ্ছে delete after. Okay. Now you have to do these all codes in your own way. Don't copy this code. এটা just copy করে দিও না.